right, well, we're here for your fourth shot on this par 5, and so far everything's worked out pretty good for you. So what can you tell me about this putt you're about to have right here?
It's going to break left and right, so from you to me. Probably about a foot and a half. That would be my guess.
Okay.
Just going to be a little bit uphill at first from that position. It's going to be pretty quick.
Yeah, they look very fast. So, well, I mean, obviously the object is just obviously make the putt, but try not to 3-putt. So,
For that little 1 foot circle if I miss it.
So go ahead and step back and do your whole process, and we'll check out the result. All right, well, we're here in your third shot, another birdie putt. I mean, that's always a plus. So one thing we didn't cover before was just the condition of the courses that you play. Obviously, this course is pretty well kept. You know, you get some pretty manicured fairways and greens and stuff like that. And most of the time that equates to like harder greens and stuff like that. So you can't really spin it as much. So knowing that, would that have changed your approach from that last shot that you just hit?
I might have tried to.
So there's nothing wrong with that. So I guess a quick question I would ask is, I imagine you intentionally try to get spin out of here.
Yeah.
A lot of people, I mean, from my...
Well, I mean, if it's...
Does it depend on what kind of sand you kind of have in the bunker?
I mean, normally, just by walking into a bunker, I can kind of tell whether I'm going to be able to spin it out of the bunker, if it's just going to try and roll it. Just kind of make an estimate there, but
Okay.
the majority of the time, try and stop it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, welcome back, Casey. Yes, sir. And today we're going to be working on kind of just the basics of putting. I think some of these things go overlooked, and I think the better you can kind of get a little more routine into it and get your setup a little bit better, I think it's probably going to help you out a little bit more. So what I'm actually going to do first is I'm going to see what eye dominant you are. Do you know offhand? Right eye dominant? Okay, so put your hand up real quick with both of them like this, and then focus on my nose. So you're right eye dominant, yeah. So now what I want you to do is just take your stance like you're gonna, like you're setting up to a putt.